Remove the print head front cover and the hot end silicone sock to ensure the nozzle is clean and free from any filament on the tip. Loosen the 2 side screws. And tighten the 3 heat bed leveling screws 1 turn. Operate on the screen, find the code, and click Print. After homing, please follow the prompts to perform the bed tramming and adjust the nozzle to a state close to the heat bed. Loosen screw 1 until the nozzle barely touches the bed. Loosen screw 2 until nozzle barely touches the bed. Loosen screw 3 until nozzle barely touches the bed. Now please tighten the 2 side screws. Install the hot end silicone sock and print head front cover.